Hey guys, it's ZZ, and in this video I'll give you the best tips and tricks to succeed in the Kim Kardashian Hollywood game. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below for awesome videos every Sunday, and share this video with your friends. Let's just get it on! The main objective for the Kim Kardashian game is for you to become the top A-list celebrity. But did you know that you can also have the most famous TV reality show as well as become the most popular couple with your significant other? That's right. Throughout your journey to success, you have to complete a lot of different tasks. These include photo shoots, fashion shows, and even meetups with special celebrities. Completing these tasks help raise your levels. And the higher your level, the more access to different places around the world you have. These places are amazing! You have access to different cities around the world with amazing views, and you can even buy your own house in some of these places. And the more houses you have, the more fans you'll get. Also, a different task requires a different amount of time for completion. They're usually between 1 to 3 to 8 hours. You use energy to fill up the 5 stars before the time's up. The more stars that are filled up, the more fans and rewards will be gained, such as money and K-stars. While traveling to all of these amazing and beautiful places, you can go to different cafes, restaurants, or bars, in which you'll meet a lot of different people. You can flirt or network with them. Some will be nice and some others won't. But honestly, if they don't want to become your friends while you're rising up to fame, don't let them become your fake friends in the future. Real friends last forever. And if you update your game right now, you'll receive access to what's called the Swipe app, which will let you swipe left or right to connections for either romantic or either professional people. You'll sometimes become immediately connected if you swipe right, but other times you might have to charm them if you really want to maintain this relation. The choice is all yours. However, a drawback is that you can only swipe for 10 people, and then you have to refill for 10 K-stars. Is it worth it? There are so many different ways to get money and K-stars throughout the game. The first one being obviously the completion of tasks. You'll receive calls from Simon, your agent, Maria, or even from Kim and her relatives. They will ask you to travel to a certain place in the game and to complete their task whenever you're ready. And remember, the more stars, the more money. A simpler way of receiving money and K-stars is to watch some of the advertisements. However, there is a limit of about 15 ads for each of the desired item. The third trick is that if you've never gone to the Mirage Casino before in Las Vegas, you should roll $6,000 instead of $300. Why? Because you will definitely receive a reward of $100,000. Don't risk it on $300 like I did. Just don't. This trick only works for the first time you roll on a casino. As you become more popular in the game, you are asked to buy new casinos, restaurants, and fashion stores. These will give you weekly pay of both money and K-stars. Tapping specific objects in a different place gives you access to a little bit of money, leveling items, as well as energy. If you think that tasks take a little too long, or you just want to do something that's quick and easy, then click on the bottom right tick circle where you'll find different types of goals, such as the achievements, which are small day-to-day basis goals that, if achieved, give you rewards. There are also the looks goals, which every week you have to buy a new clothing item and you'll get a lot of fans for it. You can achieve so many of these small goals every day and receive a lot of rewards for it. I hope you love this video and give it a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below for awesome videos every Sunday. Also, comment down below which one was your favorite tip or trick. See you in my next video, guys!